I'll be showing you how to make a lightening soap. So first and first, let's just jump right into it because I don't want to make this video as long. So I have my soap in here. My hands are already sterilized, so this is my soap. This is my black soap. So yeah, and also another ingredient I'll be using is my white soap. This soap is actually very good for burn rashes. So yes, I'll be adding this thing to it. I'm just trying to make a small portion for a client, so I was like, let me film this. So I'm adding 2 of this one to it. So yeah, my next ingredient is my ozone soap, and this is it. I'll be adding 1 of this to it. So yeah, I'll be breaking 1 of this to it. I'll just dice this into it, or just scrape it into it. So my next ingredients, let me go in. These are my powders that I'll be adding to it. Here is my turmeric powder, here is my cinnamon powder, here is my orange powder, here is my rice powder, yes, and here is my moringa powder. These powders are very good for if you have like a skin rashes, pimples. This helps to eliminate that. So as you can see on the screen, I'll be putting the benefits to it. So I'm just adding this. So I went in with 7.5 ml of this. So yeah, don't worry about me, I already sterilized my hands. My hands are cleaned, and yeah, this is it. Then let's go in with other ingredients. Then here I'll be adding my green balls and my yellow. This is my pimples balls and my green balls. So I'll be adding this to it. This is it. This is my green balls. I'll be adding that to it, and this is my yellow balls. Now, if you're very consistent with my channel, you know that I love this soap. They help with skin problems. They're really good. So I'll just pop that one right into the whole thing. It's really good for rashes, burn, fever. They use it for baby who so if you have like if I'm making my baby soap, I normally add this to it. So yeah, and for the powders again, I'll be adding my sulfur. Here is my sulfur, here is my brown licorice, and here is my half caste powder. Now they are very good. Since I'm making a whitening body, I just felt that I should let you know this is really good. See, if you're doing whitening organics and you don't have these ingredients, trust me, it's not good. So they are really rich. So yeah, then next I'll be going in with my omiaro, my herbal water. I have my Santade lotion here. I have my crude cornacol here. Here is my vitamin E. Here is my lactic acid. This is really good. I have in here my whitening glycerine, and here is my half caste oil. Very good. Here is my whitener. Here is my whitener, and I'll be going in with my Vita White bleaching oil. This is organic bleaching oil. So yes, and here is my skin-free milk. So yes, we're making a super whitening body cream. And don't forget, I have my salicylic acid here. They are really good. Now, what rice flour does to skin is that it exfoliates the skin. So it's really important to incorporate all of these ingredients to it. It will help you with your skin tone, and you know, just give you a very even skin tone. Your skin will be very even tone, sorry. So yeah, that's it. Let's just that's all of the ingredients I'll be using, and I think finally I'll be adding my I'll be adding this. I forgot the name, so I'm going to put the name on the screen so you have an idea. Sorry, I forgot the name. So yeah, I'll be adding this three of this. Just I'm going to pop it right in there, and I'm going in with my coloring. Now this is optional, but I added coloring to whitening so it differentiates. So I have a herbal chocolate skin, so I don't add coloring to that. That's how I differentiate it. So yeah, let's jump right into the video. So first thing first, I'm going to grate this and dice this into it. So let's jump right into it. So yeah, so after dicing everything, I'll just pour in my my powder. So I'll just mix all of this and just pour it right in. So yeah. Then I go in with my other powder here. Just make sure every of the powders are pouring there. So I'm going in with my salicylic acid, which is also in form of a powder. So I'll be going, I'm just not spoonful. So this is 15 ml of this is 15 ml. So I'm just going to, I didn't add it full, just a little goes a long way. So yeah. So now, having added every of the stuff, I'll now start adding my waters to it. I forgot to tell you, I don't add any water. I use both rose water and herbal water, so that's what I'll be using now. So I'll just pop this right in now. And I'm going in with my herbal water, which I'll be using 15 ml. This is 30 ml already. I'll be going in with 1, 2, yeah. So in total, now it's time to add my oils to it. So first thing first, I'll be going with my lactic acid. I'm using 15 ml, but and I'm going in with my, sorry, I've not added this. I'm just gonna scrape this into it and we'll come back right. So yeah, the next thing is my wipe. Now I'll be adding all my oils to it. As you can see, it's not filled. So when you're doing a soap, make sure that you're not adding too much oils to it. If not, it will not foam that much. So I'm going in with my vitamin E now. So I'm just adding little, just that feeling is enough for it. You don't have to add so much to it. So yeah, this is my whitening half cast. This is my half cast. So yeah, then I'll be going in with my crude coconut coal. Now you can add this crude coconut coal to cream too. It helps with green veins. I'm just adding a little. So yeah, next I'm going in with my skim-free milk. And I'll be adding my Vita White oil. Next, I'll be going in with my Santardi feet lotion. Sorry, Santardi lotion. Yeah, that's pretty much everything I'll be adding to this oil. This soap, I don't add too much, just a little goes a long way, like I said. So yeah, so now I'm just going to mash everything, mash all the goodness in it. As you can see, it is really rich. Now this soap is really rich. You can order using the number on the screen. You can order for that. I forgot to show you, I do add my shea butter to it, so I'm just going to pop in my shea butter. So I'll be adding my shea butter to it. Shea butter helps with you know, skin smoothness, scars. They are really good. This is really good something. So still adding my shea butter to it because, you know, I really want this thing to be really rich. So now I'll be adding my coloring, and when I'm adding my coloring, I like to, you know, mix it up with my water. So yeah. So here is my coloring. So I'm just going to add my coloring to it, which is really optional. You can decide not to add it. I normally like to differentiate it with my, so this is my coloring. I already soak it up with my rose water, so I'm just going to pour this in. It just gives it a distinct look. So yeah. So as you can see, this is our soap. So I'm just going to let it dissolve, and I'll show you the final result if I put it inside the container. So this is just this is how you make your soap. This is how you make your really rich organic soap. Like, this soap will lighten your skin within months. Yeah, months you begin to see really good result. And it doesn't only lighten your skin, it exfoliates your skin because of the rice and other things that are present inside of it. And it helps with pimples and all the good stuff. So yeah, this is it. I hope you like this video. I will still come back. Please don't forget to subscribe to this video. It's just a new channel. Your support is needed. Please subscribe before you go. I'm intending on adding you more beautiful content. So yeah, subscribe to this channel, give it a thumbs up, and yeah, I will show you the final result as soon as I'm done. Yeah, this is it's still very what do you call it, it still has a lot of so I'm going to add my honey to it. I forgot to mention my honey. I'm gonna just, you know, add honey to it to just give it that richness. You can see this is filled up with a whole lot of amazing ingredients. So I forgot to mention, I added this off camera, my kojic acid or the syrup. This is also good. I just added 1 tablespoon of kojic acid serum to the mixture. So I'm just going to leave this to keep, you know, melting up. I'll leave the whole thing to keep melting up until it melts up completely. So yeah, there you have it. This is our final stuff. So after it melts up, I'll put them in the right container. Don't worry about how watery it is. It hasn't melted up. After everything has melted up, it will thicken and harden. And if you still want it to harden more, like if you're making a soap and you want it to harden more, you can just leave it open for a while for, you know, the air to get in, and it will thicken up. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you today. As you can see, if you want to order for this amazing herbal whitening soap, please send me a DM. And this soap is not just any soap. It's infused with a lot of herbal stuff that will help with pimples, dandruff. I'm sorry, calling dandruff. That will help with pimples, dark spots, and you know, all those skin problems, eczema. You get it. So this will really help you with that. So yeah, take care of yourself, and please share this video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel and you're watching all of this, please, you know, your support is very important to me, please. So please tender your support by subscribing. All right, subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Have a great day, and God bless you. As you can see on the screen, if it's completely, you know, dried up, it would be like this on the screen.